Best RC airplanes are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of, and put up 5 lists of the best RC airplanes from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. We have included links in the description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Top Race 3-Channel RC Plane. Top Race Remote Control Airplane RC Plane 3-channel battery-powered radio control airplanes for adults and kids. 8+ Easter gift toy. Easy to control electric planes with propeller saver style, 3-channel blue. Experience the thrill of flight with the Top Race 3-channel remote control airplane, designed for both beginners and experienced RC pilots. This battery-powered electric airplane offers exceptional stability and easy maneuverability, making it perfect for kids aged 8+ and adults who love aviation. The 3-channel control system allows smooth operation of throttle, rudder, and elevator, providing realistic flight dynamics that mimic a real aircraft. Built from durable yet lightweight materials, this RC plane can withstand minor crashes while maintaining strong performance. The propeller saver technology ensures long-lasting fun by protecting the propeller from damage during rough landings. Its powerful motor delivers excellent lift and speed, while the 2.4 GHz radio control system allows multiple planes to fly simultaneously without interference, ideal for group flying sessions. The Top Race RC plane comes with a rechargeable battery and easy-to-use transmitter, allowing up to 15 minutes of continuous flight on a single charge. The vibrant blue design gives it a sleek, aerodynamic look that stands out in the sky. Whether you're learning to fly or adding to your RC collection, this electric airplane is the perfect blend of fun, performance, and durability. A great Easter gift or hobby toy for kids and adults alike, the Top Race 3-channel RC airplane delivers endless excitement and real flying adventure for everyone. Number 2. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. FMS RC Planes for Adults Remote Control Airplane. P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane 6CH 1700mm, 66.9-inch, wingspan with flaps, LED, retracts, PNP, no radio, battery, charger, warbird, style, 1700mm. P-51D. Experience aviation history and unmatched RC performance with the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane. This 6-channel scale warbird captures the spirit of the legendary World War II fighter in exquisite detail, making it a must-have for serious RC enthusiasts and collectors. Featuring a massive 1700mm, 66.9-inch wingspan, this model delivers superior stability, lifelike handling, and incredible in-flight presence. The P-51D's powerful brushless motor system ensures strong thrust and responsive performance for thrilling aerobatic maneuvers. Equipped with functional flaps, electronic retractable landing gear, and bright LED navigation lights, this plane offers a realistic flight experience that's both exciting and immersive. The durable EPO foam construction combines lightweight strength with easy repairability, ensuring long-lasting durability even during intense flights. This plug-and-play (PNP) version includes all pre-installed electronics, motor, ESC, and servos. Simply add your compatible transmitter, receiver, and battery to get airborne quickly. The Redtail livery pays tribute to the heroic Tuskegee Airmen, featuring authentic paint details and a bold finish that stands out in any sky. Perfect for advanced hobbyists, the FMS 1700mm P-51D Mustang delivers power, precision, and historical elegance in one remarkable package. Whether you're performing smooth takeoffs, graceful loops, or high-speed passes, this warbird ensures an unforgettable flying experience that truly honors its legendary heritage. Number 3. Hawkswork 2CH Remote Control Airplane. Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane, F-22 plane ready to fly, 2.4 GHz remote control, easy-to-fly RC glider for kids and beginners. Take to the skies with the Hawkswork 2-channel RC Airplane, a sleek and powerful F-22 fighter jet replica designed for effortless control and maximum fun. Perfect for kids, beginners, and aviation enthusiasts, this ready-to-fly RC plane arrives fully assembled. Just charge, power on, and you're ready for takeoff. Built with 2-channel control, throttle and direction, this RC glider makes flying simple and intuitive, allowing new pilots to master takeoff, flight, and landing with ease. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures stable signal transmission with long range and no interference, so multiple planes can fly together smoothly. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPP foam, the F-22 glider can handle minor crashes without breaking, making it ideal for first-time flyers. Its powerful twin motors deliver strong thrust and stable flight, while the aerodynamic F-22 jet design enhances speed and agility in the air. The auto-stabilization flight system helps maintain balance and direction, reducing the learning curve for new users. Whether flying indoors or outdoors on calm days, the Hawkswork F-22 RC Airplane provides exciting, real flight experiences that inspire confidence and creativity. It's a perfect gift for kids and beginners, combining education, technology, and fun in one thrilling package. Start your aviation adventure today with this easy-to-fly and durable RC jet that guarantees endless hours of high-flying enjoyment. Number 4. Volantexrc RC Airplane. Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub 4CH remote control airplane with prop saver, 6-axis gyro stabilizer and 3 modes to fly, radio-controlled aircraft RTF for beginners, kids and adults, 500mm, red. Discover the joy of flying with the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub 4CH RC Airplane, a high-performance ready-to-fly, RTF, model designed for beginners, kids, and adults alike. This 500mm wingspan aircraft combines stability, durability, and easy control, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enter the exciting world of remote control aviation. Equipped with a 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the Sport Cub ensures smooth, balanced flight even in light wind conditions. The 3 flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and expert, allow you to gradually improve your flying skills at your own pace. The 4-channel control system, throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron, provides full maneuverability, enabling realistic flight performance from gentle glides to exciting aerobatics. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPP foam, this RC plane can withstand minor impacts and rough landings, perfect for new pilots learning the ropes. The propeller's saver design helps protect the motor and propeller, extending the lifespan of the airplane for long-lasting fun. The included 2.4 GHz remote control system offers strong signal transmission, allowing multiple planes to fly together without interference. With its bright red color scheme and detailed Sport Cub design, this aircraft looks stunning in flight and on display. Everything you need is included, just charge, assemble, and take off. The Volantexrc RC Sport Cub delivers a smooth, fun, and educational flying experience that's ideal for both kids and adults. Number 5. iHobby Remote Control Airplane. Remote Control Airplane RC Plane ready to fly, 2.4 GHz 2-channel RC aircraft with built-in 3-axis gyroscope, durable EPP styrofoam remote control plane for kids, boys, girls, and beginners. Take your flying experience to new heights with this ready-to-fly remote control airplane, designed for kids, beginners, and aviation enthusiasts. Engineered for stability and simplicity, this 2-channel RC aircraft is the perfect introduction to the world of remote control flying. With easy throttle and direction controls, even first-time pilots can enjoy smooth takeoffs, stable flights, and gentle landings with confidence. Equipped with a built-in 3-axis gyroscope, the plane automatically balances itself in the air, reducing crashes and making flight control easier than ever. The 2.4 GHz radio system provides a reliable signal for long-range flying and allows multiple planes to fly simultaneously without interference, ideal for group fun and outdoor play. Crafted from high-density EPP styrofoam, this RC plane is both lightweight and durable, capable of withstanding minor bumps and crashes. The aerodynamic design and powerful motors ensure smooth, efficient flight performance while maintaining excellent battery life for extended playtime. This ready-to-fly, RTF, airplane comes pre-assembled and includes everything you need to start flying right out of the box, no complicated setup required. Its child-friendly controls make it an excellent educational toy that helps develop hand-eye coordination and spatial awareness. Whether for kids, boys, girls, or beginners, this RC airplane is a perfect gift that delivers endless outdoor fun, confidence-building flight experience, and excitement for aspiring young pilots.